Hi, this is Liz with Egghead Fixers. Today we're going to be showing you how to remove and replace a keyboard key on your Asus ROG ZX50 series laptop. But anyway, that's enough talking. On to the repair.
First thing you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver like this one. As you can see on the handle we have the size. Now, first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your flathead and you're going to insert it between the retainer clip and the keycap. And you're going to try to hold down the retainer clip with that flathead screwdriver, as you can see, and then pull off the keycap from it. Now, we'll show you a close-up of this in the photo. As you can see, it's in between the cap and the retainer clip. And then you'll be able to grab that cap that's on top and pull it off, leaving the retainer clip pressed down with the screwdriver like this. Now, this can take a little bit of finagling and wiggling around. But it eventually will come off just like so. Now, what you're going to do next is you're going to take your retainer clip and you're going to push down on it. Because what we're trying to remove is pull this bar right here where the arrow is out from under this clip right here. And you do this by pushing down a little bit, and they'll make it easy to pull it out. And once you've done that, give it a good push, and then you're going to pull it off with your flathead like so. A close-up of your retainer clip looks just like this. So we're being careful not to snap off any of those side little tabs that come off. Now we're going to reverse the process. We're going to hook the bottom on first. And we're going to take that little bar and we're going to put it under the piece of metal, sliding it upwards. And then we're going to clip the two top little clippies in, like so. Push, push, just like that. Maybe you'll even have to use your flathead, like as seen in this video. There you go. Now look at your keycap, see which side goes where. The spaced out part goes on the bottom, the spaced out clips. And you push down, give it a couple taps, and it is good to go.
Thanks for watching our video. If you found it in any way helpful, please like and share. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you find that you like free IT advice, if you like knowing how your computer works and seeing how it can be repaired, then go ahead and subscribe. But anyway, from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.